Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started with Monday.com for your marketing projects, even if you've never used this platform before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a workspace, select and apply a relevant marketing template, and customize it so it's tailored perfectly for you or your team. We're focusing on the 2025 version of Monday.com, making sure you're up to date with the latest interface and features. Let's dive right in. Once you've logged into Monday.com and you're looking at your main dashboard, you'll notice the plus button next to your workspace area. It's pretty hard to miss, kind of like the big start button on your remote control. Go ahead and click on that plus button. This is our doorway to creating something new, whether it's a board, a workspace, or, in our case, tapping into the template center. When you click the plus, you'll see a list of options appear. For this tutorial, you want to select Template Center. Think of the Template Center like a library filled with ready-made workflows, shortcuts designed by experts so you don't have to reinvent the wheel each time you start a new project. Now, since Monday.com offers templates for a range of departments like HR, sales, and marketing, let's say we're setting something up for a marketing initiative. You'll see the Template Center shows a search option at the top. Type Marketing into the search bar. Take a moment here. Monday.com will present you with several templates that are specifically designed for marketing teams, like campaign trackers, content calendars, or lead management boards. Browse through them a little. If you're not exactly sure which one suits you, don't worry. Each template comes with a brief description that tells you its main purpose. Once you find a template that matches what you're looking for, maybe it's a marketing campaign planning board, click to select it. Then hit the Use Template button. Now, sit back for a second. Monday.com needs a moment to create your board and fill it in with example data and columns. Sometimes there's a little loading wheel, so don't worry if this part takes a few seconds longer, especially if your internet is a bit slow. After your template is loaded, you'll see a brand new marketing workspace full of pre-filled sections, like campaign names, due dates, status tracking, and even example team member assignments. These are all meant to help guide you, but the magic of Monday.com is how customizable it is. Don't be afraid to edit anything you see. For instance, if you run weekly content planning meetings, you can add tasks for brainstorming or deadlines specific to your team. Maybe lead source doesn't apply to you, so you can change it to something like social channel instead. To edit, simply click on any cell or column title and start typing. Add, remove, or rename items until they fit your workflow. It's designed to adapt to your needs, not the other way around. Take your time exploring these options. The more you personalize it, the more useful your board becomes in real-world marketing scenarios. For example, if you need to track ad spend for Facebook or Google campaigns, add a column for budget. Or, if you work with multiple designers, assign tasks to each person so everyone knows who's responsible for what. Monday.com is like having a digital assistant that organizes your campaign from kickoff to delivery. And that's really it. You've gone from a blank workspace to a tailored marketing management dashboard in just a few steps. Remember, it's okay to experiment and adjust things as you go. The best boards are the ones that evolve along with your projects. If this tutorial helped you get started or answered questions you had, be sure to hit that like button. If there's something you're curious about or if you have any tips of your own, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what's working for your marketing team. And don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides just like this, so you can master your workflow one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.